This video is about to start, but first, a word from our sponsor. Alright guys, so by now, those of you who follow my channel will know that I do a lot of mechanical tutorials videos here on this channel, on my motorcycles, snowmobiles, whatever I have. But what you might not know is that I have another passion, and that's cartooning. So, for all you vintage sled fanatics out there who follow my channel for my vintage snowmobile content, and any of those of you who love to just work on engines in general, I put together this book of vintage snowmobile themed comic strips called Respect the Classics. Each cartoon in this book is written off personal experience that I've had working on or riding vintage snowmobiles, so you're sure to see something you'll relate to in this book. So if you're a kind of person who loves to laugh, or if you just love vintage snowmobiles, or if you have a snowmobiling buddy who you know will love this book, head on over to the eBay link in the description below, pick up one for yourself. You'll be sure to enjoy it. It'll give you many hours of laughter. Thanks for watching the ad. Now on to the video. Today we've got an important retrieval mission. Alright, so here it is. Got the Indy Lite out here because it had a ripped pull starter cable, and then the electric start battery died. So here it's been sitting for a couple days. Just got snow last night. I'm gonna rebuild the pull starter now that I have some cable and get it back up and moving again. Alright, so the starter on these is built into the side fan cover on the engine. So you're going to need to get, first of all, the coil off right here, 2 Phillips screws, and then a bunch of 10mm bolts holding it on all over the rest of it. All those off, and then it should come free. Alright, it's loose. Let's get it back to the shop.